Okay guys, I had to restart this video, so excuse the mess here, but I already opened it, and so I was having problems, and since I don't edit, I didn't think you guys needed to watch all that. Anyways, this is my first time buying a Craftibly. This I bought from a D-Stash Facebook group, so I didn't buy directly from them, and from what I understand, they're revamping everything. I don't know, but it is a licensed company, so I did want to buy this one. Somebody was selling for pretty cheap, so I thought, well, let me try it. So I just took everything out and it came in this. So I don't know if they're revamping, if this is going to be how it is or not. I don't know anything. So, and I'm not ashamed to say I don't know anything. So this cover minder came in here. That was my first technical difficulty. I couldn't open it, but look at how pretty that is. That is super pretty. The second thing, I'm going to scoot you in, okay? Second problem I was having was that these were not focusing, and I have no idea why they were not. But there you go. And I was saying that they look like those fruit stripes back in the 80s when they first came out, the fruit stripes. This reminded me of when I first saw it. So that's cool. So you get a cool bag. Oh, and then you get their wax is purple. Kind of like, well, it's a lilac almost. And you get, I think, 3 of them. Yeah, so you get 3 waxes. Is that how you say it? Waxes? So 3 pieces of wax. There we go. Maybe that's the proper English. You take off the little backing off of it so you can use it. And it comes like that. And then you have another little pill container here. It's not a pill container, but yeah, whatever. Words just come. We'll just go with it. So you get, oh, they give you 3. They give you 3 placers, and then, well, 4 technically with that one. So very cute. And then a tray, another squishy for your, and then they give you more wax and the little tray. This is a cute little tray. These things are garbage. They're not worth anything. But look at how pretty these tweezers are. They gave you pretty tweezers. Oh, I love getting tweezers, you guys. I don't even know why I need so many, but I love them. Okay, let me scoot you back out. Close your eyes. Okay, let's see what this feels like. I'm excited to, hopefully it's good. Let's see. Does it go all the way around? Okay, so it goes all the way around, you guys. That's kind of interesting. Try and be careful not cutting the canvas. There's probably a better way to do this, but don't know. That seems weird to tape it like that. I don't know. But my weird is not everybody's weird. So, okay, so let's see what, oh, it goes this way. Let's see what this looks like. Okay, let's see. Oh, so you have your paper. So they give you, just like Diamond Art Club, they give you, oh, so they do give you a paper. Oh, cool. Okay, let's see. Oh, wow, there's a way bigger. Oh, look at, and just like, Dreamer Designs, they give you the extra little stickers to put. Oh, look, and then they have the little sticker too here, and then your color count. These might be specialized drills. I don't know anything about this company, so I don't know, but it's Jack-O-Man Halloween House. So let's see, it gives you all their little, what you get in your kits and stuff. So okay, that's cool. Oh, and you got another sticker right here. That's how they tell you your diamonds. Okay, it's interesting. I like how different, you know, how the companies do different things. Different companies do different things. Okay, so that's pretty good. The rendering looks really great. The little, yeah, that looks super cute. Very nice. Not too much color blocking. I love confetti, so I adore confetti. I prefer confetti galore in my diamond paintings. In my printed cross stitch, I prefer color blocking. So yeah, but I like this. This is cute, you guys. And the canvas feels a little less thick than DAC, Diamond Art Club, but it feels thicker than Dreamer Designs. Dreamer's Designs, I don't really care for the backs because, like I said, it feels like you can rip it. So this one's a little bit less than DAC, but better than, yeah, I like it. Okay, Okay. I like. That's pretty good. Yeah, this is like a hardy canvas, so yeah, that's pretty good. So that's an A+. And then let's open the drills. It looked like a colorful painting, right? So okay. Oh, look at the purples, you guys. It's gonna be fun. Is it? Oh, wait. Is it the same? No, it's a little different. Let's go. You kind of see them better this way. Oh, look how pretty that one is. We have oranges. So pretty. I love it. Oh, this one's these are very shiny, you guys. These are ABs. AB 211, AB, yeah. These are ABs. That's why they're so, like, see that? Look at the shine on them. Gorgeous. I love it. Oh, look at that one. So pretty. I love the colors. The colors are beautiful. Is that easy? Yeah. And the greens and the browns. So pretty. Oh, I love it. So it always motivates you to want to do like all kinds because the colors are so pretty and you want to see what they'll look like on the canvas. For me anyways, that's my thing is I love seeing it on the canvas. Oh, the purples. Oh, look at this one, you guys. So these are another AB. Okay, so let's go this way because that way you can see these. See, these are ABs. Oh, you see that? And then this one is also an AB. This one is a specialized one. I don't know if you can see that, but that is a specialized. Oh, these are all all of them are. And then these are also, oh, these are bigger. Oh, this is my first canvas that I've had actually things like this. So let's go this way. That is really cool. I mean, look at that. Those are specialized ones. They're like gems. Ooh, so pretty. I love it. Oh my gosh, look at that one. And then you have the bigger ones. Oh, I love it, you guys. That's awesome. Did I show you this one? No, probably not. Did I show you this one? I don't know. We'll go through it real quick in case I didn't. So is that 310? So you get two 310s. And that was for the outfit. Did I show you that one up close? That's what it looks like up close. Cute, huh? Very cute. So, yeah, I love it. I love the colors. Awesome. Yep, happy. All right, guys, take care. Bye.